today I wanna discuss composing and arranging music. I'm not charging for this. This is my reciprocity. I feel like I've been blessed with a number of different abilities, stuff like diligence, perseverance, tenacity, and I'd like to render that reciprocity back, artistic reciprocity back to individuals who seeking to grasp a fundamental understanding of music, and they may not be enough in the financial predicament to afford those desires. So I want to discuss composing and arranging music, primarily, specifically arranging music, arrangement, musical arrangement, and a primary emphasis is going to be placed on bassline, melody, and harmony. And I write, compose, I arrange, I transpose, I transcribe music by ear. So I could transpose from one key to another. I could arrange by ear. I could arrange, do tabs or sheet music.